Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 17th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. And we're on the daily time frame to start with, working down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the daily, we haven't hit this 123 Fibonacci retracement level yet. And for me, the trend is very heavily up unless we get a break of structure to the downside right here. If we do break down, then that probably is the end of a wave B and the beginning of a huge downtrend on these higher time frames, but none of that has happened yet. So the trend is definitely still up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, technically structure is way down here. So this potentially could do something like this, go down to a Fibonacci level and then end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. Because we haven't hit this higher time frame Fibonacci level, I am definitely looking at anything I see to the downside as likely nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. Now we do have a break of structure down on the 1 hour. So maybe this is like an A, this is a B, and then we push down for a C to one of these lower fib levels and then end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.